Good morning students, welcome back to the online class. I hope you all are doing fine and I hope you all must have enjoyed your puja holidays. Also you have received your midterm result. I hope you all are satisfied with your result. Once again I welcome you back to the online class. So my dear students, please be sincere with your studies once again and please try to attend all the classes. Today we will begin with a new lesson as we have completed up to chapter 7 before the midterm exam. So today we will begin with chapter 8, that is matter and molecules. So in this chapter we will learn about what is matter and what is molecules. Okay, so I will read out the lesson to you. My dear students, please try to listen carefully and try to read the lesson. Okay, so here, matter and molecules. If you look around, you will see different things like tables, chairs, bags, chalks, etc. These things may differ in shapes and sizes, but they have two things in common. Okay, they all occupy space and have some weight. Anything that occupies space and has weight is called what? Matter. Okay, see, in your home, in the room where you are sitting, look around there. What you will see? You may see some bottle, some chair, or you can say some of your belongings like your clothes. Okay, so what, to keep all those things you need some place, isn't it? So when you keep your cloth in that particular place, what will happen? That space will be occupied by your belongings, by your clothes, by your water bottle, or by your some other things like chair, tables, bed, etc. Okay, so that is called what? Means the matter. They will what? Occupy space. Okay, and also they will have what? Weight. Weight means wazan. Okay, in Hindi we call it as wazan, weight. So what is weight? For example, if you want to carry a chair from one place to the other, you will need some energy. You will have to put some of your energy to carry that particular chair to different position, different location, isn't it? So what, the chair is having some weight. Okay, that means it is उसका एक वजन होता है ना. So to become a matter, a thing must have what? Weight, and also it must occupy some space. Okay, that is what? Matter. Now here one activity is given to you. Take any three objects: a pencil box, bottle, book, etc. Okay, place them on the table. Okay, you will put this pencil box, bottle, book in a table, then on the floor, and then on the chair. First you will put all of these things in your table, then in a floor, and then on a chair. Okay, you will notice, what you will see then? You will notice that they all occupy space. जहाँ उसको रखेंगे वो जगह ले लेंगे. Okay, that is called what? Occupy space. When you hold these things in your hand, you must have felt that they all had weight. Yes, pencil box उठाया, bottle उठाया, book उठाया, तो उसका एक वजन होता है ना. That is called what? Weight. Okay, so hence they all are matter. Okay, so this pencil box, bottle, book, these are what? They are occupying space, and also they have what? Weight. That is why these three things are what? Matter. Okay, see here, what is matter made up of? If you take a piece of chalk, okay, and break it, it will break into smaller pieces. If you continue to break it, you will get smaller and smaller pieces till it becomes a powder. See here, example is given of a chalk pencil. Okay, the chalk which we used to write in a blackboard, that chalk. Okay, see, first you break the chalk. it will break into small pieces, isn't it? Again you break it, that small piece, again you break it and break it again and again. Then what will happen? It will be broken into very small pieces. That is what? Into tiny pieces. So, and finally at last, if you break it again and again and again, what you will get? You will get powder, isn't it? So what that powder is? What it is? Very tiny, isn't it? So you will find tiny pieces of chalk. Okay, in the same way, matter is made up of tiny invisible particles called molecules. Okay, that means what? This powder which we got from the chalk is what? It is a molecule. Okay, the tiny pieces of chalk which we got as a powder is a molecule. Okay, as it is very tiny particle, so it is a molecule. So matter is made up of tiny invisible particles called what? Molecules. Okay, molecules are further made up of even tinier particles called atoms. Okay, again these molecules are again made up of what? Very tiny particles. Okay, even much smaller than the pieces of chalk. Okay, so that is called what? Atoms. Okay, and these atoms we cannot see with our naked eye, we cannot see with our eye directly. Okay, we will need to use some microscopes. Okay, all molecules in matter have some space between them and called intermolecular space. Okay, see, now matter is made up of what? Molecules. Okay, now all the molecules, they have what? Some space between them, and the space between them is called what? Intermolecular space. See, for example, see in this picture, this blue colored round images are what? These are molecules. Okay, these are molecules. Now between these two molecules there is gap, isn't it? See, one, this is the one molecule, this is the other molecule, this is the third molecule, isn't it? So between these there is some space. ओके, खाली जगह है. ओके, वो दो मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा खाली जगह है, तो वो खाली जगह क्या बोलता है? इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस. ओके, दैट स्पेस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस. द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन द मॉलिक्यूल्स इज कॉल्ड इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स. नाउ देखो, दिस मॉलिक्यूल्स एक दूसरे का साथ क्या होता है? अट्रैक्ट होके रहता है. ओके, okay, the molecules, all these molecules are there, what? They attract with each other, and that attraction is because of what? Because of intermolecular force. Okay, attraction is because of intermolecular force. So today we have learned about what is matter and what is molecules, and then what is intermolecular space and what is intermolecular force. Okay, so my dear students, please read the lesson and try to understand whatever I have explained to you. Thank you.